Hey everyone, my name is Kat and this is a tutorial for part 4 of advanced step number 15. It's a little bit tricky, so I thought I'd break it down a little bit more for you. Also, if you ever need a tutorial for any of my workouts, just let me know, put it in the comments below. Happy to make one for you. You'll find advanced step number 15 on my channel. Hope you like it. Have a great day.
All right, first thing we're going to do is just tap your corners. Get ready. We're going to do 2 stomps on the right and 2 left. Here we go. 2 stomps right, 2 stomps left, and march for 8. Do it again. 2 stomps right, 2 stomps left, and march for 8. Watch me. 2 stomps right or tango, 2 stomps left, and march. Do it again. Tango right, 2 stomps left, and march. One more time. Tango on the right, 2 stomps left, and march. I'm going to change the 2 stomps now. Tango right, 2 stomps, and march. Tango right, tango on the floor with a turn and 2 taps. Tango right, tango on the floor with a turn and 2 stomps. Do it again. Tango on top, tango on the floor with a turn, 2 taps. Now single knees to the corners. Repeater knee and let's do the other side. 2 stomps left, 2 stomps right, march for 8. Do it again. 2 stomps left, 2 right, march. Now tango left, 2 stomps right, and march. Tango left, 2 stomps right, and march. Tango left, 2 stomps right, march. Tango, tango on the floor with a turn, and tap for 2. Tango, tango on the floor with a turn, tap for 2. Tango left, tango on the floor with a turn, and tap for 2. Tango on top, tango on the floor with a turn, and tap for 2. Now single knees to the corners. Repeater knee, and we're going to add on to that. Just tap your step. Back it up. Get ready. We're going to shuffle and march. Get ready. Here we go. Just shuffle one time and then march. Face the other wall and tap for 2. Shuffle, march, and face the other wall. Tap for 2. Do it again. Shuffle, march, tap your step 2 times. Shuffle, march, face the other wall, and tap your step for 2. Last time. Shuffle, march, tap your step. Last time left. Shuffle and march. Now watch me. I'm going to add a mambo front and back. Ready? Shuffle, mambo front, mambo behind you, step down and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo front, back, step down and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo on the floor, mambo behind you on the step down and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo front, mambo back, step down and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo front, mambo back, step down, and tap for 2. One more time and I'm going to change it again. Shuffle, mambo front, mambo back, step down and tap for 2. Alright, watch me. Shuffle, mambo front, mambo back, step down and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo front, mambo back into a reverse turn, mambo back and tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo forward, back, full reverse, mambo back, tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo forward and back, reverse turn, mambo back, tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo forward, mambo back into reverse turn, mambo back, tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo forward, mambo behind into reverse turn, mambo back, tap for 2. Shuffle, mambo forward, back into reverse turn, mambo back, tap for 2. Last one. Shuffle, mambo forward and back, reverse turn, mambo back, tap for 2. Alright, let's diagonal now and step touch around the corner. Diagonal across and step touch around the corner. Diagonal, step touch. You got it, keep going, diagonal and step touch. Last time. Now we're going to add 2 mambo cha-cha-chas. Here we go. Mambo cha-cha-cha, 2 of them, and then tap your corners. Do that again. Mambo cha-cha-cha 2 times. Tap your corners. Mambo cha-cha-cha, 2 of them. Tap your corners. Mambo cha-cha-cha. Tap your corners. Alright, now here we go. 1 mambo cha-cha-cha, march for 4, and tap your corners. Mambo cha-cha-cha 1 time, march for 4, tap your corners. Those marches are going to change. 1 mambo cha-cha-cha, march it, tap your corners. Mambo cha-cha-cha, march, tap your corners. Mambo cha-cha-cha, watch me, march, and tap your corners. 1 mambo cha-cha-cha, watch again, march, tap your corners. So that's a pivot, ready? 1 mambo cha-cha-cha, and 1 pivot on the floor, tap your corners. 1 mambo cha-cha-cha, pivot, tap your corners. Get ready, we're going to go back to the beginning. Here we go, tango on top. Tango on the floor with a turn. Shuffle, mambo front, reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch around the corner, mambo cha-cha-cha, and pivot. Tap your corners. So that's the whole thing. Let's practice it a few more times. Ready? Tango on top. Tango on the floor with a turn. Shuffle, mambo forward and back, full reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch around the corner, mambo cha-cha-cha and pivot. Tap your corners. Let's do it again. Tango on top. Tango on the floor. Shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, pivot. Tap your corners. Let's do it again. Tango on top. Tango on the floor. Shuffle. Mambo front and back. Reverse turn. Mambo back. Diagonal across. Step touch. Mambo cha-cha-cha. Pivot. Tap your corners. Tango on top. Tango on the floor. Shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch around the corner, mambo cha-cha-cha, pivot, tap your corners. Tango on top, tango on the floor. Shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, and pivot. Tap your corners. Let's do one more time each side. Ready? Tango on top, tango on the floor. Shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back. Diagonal across, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, and pivot. Tap your corners. Tango on top, tango on the floor. shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back, diagonal cross, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, pivot, tap your corners. Okay, one more time. Tango on top, tango on the floor, shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back, diagonal, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, and pivot, tap your corners. Last time. Tango on top, tango on the floor, shuffle, mambo front and back, reverse turn, mambo back, diagonal, step touch, mambo cha-cha-cha, pivot, tap your corners. Alright, that's it. Hope you got it. Find the whole workout on my channel. Have a great day.